All right. Yeah, welcome back again. We want to, under this session, we want to look at box plots in ggplot. And you must understand that box plot is one of the most powerful plots so far. It does a lot of things because it has a lot of information. As small as it is, it contains a lot of information. So um, basically, Boxplot contains five components. You can in Boxplot you can see the minimum value, the maximum value. You can see the first quarter, the fourth quarter, and the interquarter range in the Boxplot. And you can also see the shape of your data, how it look like. Because later we're going to be using Boxplot to check the shape of our data and also the normality distribution for our data. It helps a lot to see if your data is in its right shape or if it's normally distributed. Boxplot is one of the best plots to quickly observe that by visualization. So we're going to look at how we can plot a box plot under this section. And if you see run our library as I put here, then also we can glimpse what to glimpse. So I've already done that. So now we want to jump into it. Now, if you are plotting numerical and categorical variable, you should know that the plus plus is very important when you are combining it together. All right, you can just plot box plot with a one uh, numerical variable to visualize the shape of your data, not necessarily for visualization sake, for plotting, but to visualize, to just do a background check your data, especially on the explorative data analysis. You want to visualize your data, you want to see the shape, how it look like, if it is anomaly distributed or not. You can really introduce box plot for one numeric variable, and then you can also combine together with a categorical variable, which is very good for plotting. So if you just run one line of code, for example, like this, with box plots, okay, you can see the distribution for our data, how it look like. You also run, for example, run this line. You want to see the body mass in gram. You want to see how it look like, shape of data, how it look like. You can see that it doesn't not have any outlier. So box plot also reveal outliers that you have in your data. All right. It also show the mean of your data, how it is centered. It has a lot of information, not just a this one is this whiskey it is giving you this is a what do you call it now is a third percentile. Okay, this is a this is the first percentile. All right, here we have here we have okay, here we have first percentile, here we have third percentile. Okay, here the middle is 50, so from here to here 70, 70 is 75%, is 25%. So from here to here we have 50%. Okay, from here to here we have 50%, and here we have 100% here, 100%. So from here to here is 125%, from here to here 25% as well. So that is how it is shaped. And here you can see that if there's any outlier to show to review here, anything outside this whiskey is outlier. Any dot you see outside this whiskey is outlier. So you can also see sometimes that you see that it can be it's review some kind of skewness. Okay, skewness of the data. So you can see that the data is a negatively skewed now. Okay, I mean, it's positively skewed, but this particular line is longer than this line. All right, so that's a positive skew. All right, so there are many things that the post reveal, many things. So even as small as this is, it has a lot of information. Okay, so this is just to see the bodygram. So we can also combine it with species to see the both bodygram and species, and this is how you just run it. All right, you put it the species here, bodygram here. Species is a categorical variable. Don't forget, a bodygram is just simply numerical variable. Right, so you can so that you can just display them horizontally. Right, this one is for y axis, this horizontal axis. So take note of that. So you can see the Adili and the Shin strap and Gen 2 here. You can see that in Shin strap we have outlier. You can see two outliers here, one here, one here. So this is outside the whiskey line here. You see that? So that should be that can be dealt with. All right. So we remove the outliers. All right. So we will look at that later as under different topic. Okay. So but that is basically what it possible what it looks like. when you draw it. So you can also further look at it in ggplot. When you pass your penguin data set here, you pass your species as x-axis, your bodygram as y-axis. Don't forget this way is a bodygram. It's y-axis here as well. Don't forget our species x-axis. Don't forget that's what we do here also. And then we now call our geoplot here. All right. So we didn't do anything much. You just call it here and run it. So it gives us in this form. This is a ggplot format. So you can see you still have our outlier here, here. All right. So this is another few another visualization method you can use. So and but you can also color by species. Okay, you can color by species. Then you can hide the legend. Okay, you don't want to show the legend. Okay, you say show the to force. If you color, so you don't need legend anymore. So if you run this code now, for example, you can see it in different color. You can see so no legend is shown. So if you don't, if you, because we are coloring, if you don't hide legend will show automatically. All right. So now you want to show the because I want to show you that you have color, right? Which we may not necessarily need for now because you can see clearly that this Adelaide, this Chain Trap, this Chain 2. So we can also further check, fill our Boxplot with a species, all right? Instead of showing it in the color, you can just fill it. So this one will give you different color automatically by itself. So you don't need to put the color, just fill it and to show you the color while you hide the legend as well. You can see the color, give you the color. So as many as plot you have here to give you different color for them. So, but still revealing your outlier to show that you have outlier. So that is not a problem in plotting. It's okay, but it's only when we are trying to investigate our data, then we need to look into that. All right. So this is how you plot. Don't mind the warning. So that one is normal. So this is how you plot box plot. Right? You can feature like can view it here, so you can see how it look like. So let's see. So this is you can save. Since all this while we have been talking about plotting, we didn't talk about saving. All right, so you can just clear, you can save as an image. Okay, just click on save image here. Select the kind of image you want, JPEG, GIF, and the rest of them. You can save here now, or you can just export as a PDF. Okay, from here, just click on export here PDF. It will save automatically in your working directory. Don't forget that. Or you can copy to clipboard the image and paste in your environment where you are working in your graphical environment to edit and to work on it better. So that is that for now about Boxplot. I will see us in the next section for further